Welcome back. It's time for sports.
The top brass of the Jamaican Athletics Administrative Association J3As was expected to meet on Friday morning following news of Olympic discus gold medalist Roger Stoner and Olympic shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell, as well as world under-20 triple jump record holder Jaden Hibbert, switching allegiance to compete for Turkey. Speaking in an exclusive interview with TVJ Sports on Thursday, Önder Özdemir, a consultant with the Turkish Sports Ministry, confirmed the development. Stoner, who threw an Olympic record of 70 meters flat, received his passport just over 2 weeks ago. National shot put record holder Campbell, who took the bronze in Paris with a throw of 22.15 meters, is set to receive his Turkish passport in less than a week. Hibbert is also expected to receive his Turkish passport in coming weeks. When contacted on Thursday, J3's president Garth Gale said he was yet to receive any official communication from the athletes or the Turkish Federation about the transfers. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz look to bounce back from their opening game defeat at the CONCACAF Gold Cup when they play Guadeluope in a must-win game in Group C at the Papal Park in California on Friday evening. Head coach of the Reggae Boyz, Steve McLaren, says even though they were left wanting after their defeat on Monday, that hasn't shaken their confidence heading into Friday's clash.
We need a reaction from the team, a reaction from everybody. The mood is... I think after the game, very disappointing, but the mood has lifted. And, we're preparing for the game tomorrow and hopefully a better performance and result.
The match is set to kick off at 6:45 p.m. at Jamaica time. Veteran Jamaican batter Stephanie Taylor has been ruled out of the West Indies women's three-match T20 International Series against South Africa's women with a shoulder injury. Fast bowler Shwanisha Hector has been called up to replace Taylor in the series, which bowls off at the Three Rivers Oval in Barbados this afternoon at 1. In former triple jumper Jordan Scott and national sprint hurdles record holder Akira Nugent are the Jamaicans down to compete at the Paris Diamond League meet on Friday. Scott will be the first in action in the men's triple jump, set to begin at 12:50 p.m. 27-year-old Scott registered a personal best 17.34 meters to win the event at the Oslo Diamond League meet last Thursday and surged to second in the world rankings. He also won at the season's first Diamond League meet in Xiamen, China with 17.27 meters. Nugent will contest her pet event at 3:20 p.m. against a stacked field, which will include world record holder Toby Amusan, former world record holder American Kendra Harrison, and indoor 60-meter hurdles world record holder Devin Charlton of the Bahamas. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.